What's going on, y'all? Welcome back to Fallen Tide TV. As always, my name's Nate, and we're on another duck hunt here. Today, we're going to be targeting those greasy gray ducks, gadwall. I'm with my buddy Gary here. This is a spot that he's been having a lot of success at. Man, they went on a good stretch of some really good hunts. He had some friends over here from out of town, and man, they were wearing them out. It's a weekday today. It's actually a Monday, and hopefully the birds will be here today. Got a good north wind blowing. It's real cold today. Yeah, this place is beautiful from what I can see in the dark. I can't wait to see it once the sun comes up. Be able to show it to y'all. I mean, it's a beautiful, just widgeon grass flat right here. Absolutely perfect habitat for a gray duck. We about to get these decoys thrown out, so hopefully something good happens today, y'all. I told y'all I'd probably be hunting them divers the rest of the year, but you know, I had to go get the gray ducks one last shot. It's good to get out with Gary again. What's up, Gary?
What's up?
So, wish us luck. Look at all the feed in this place, dude. Sheesh.
Tell me, one morning we came in, they had feathers everywhere. They were roosting in here.
Hopefully they come back. What you got? Yeah, I think it is. I heard him land.
I didn't see him at all.
I just heard him.
It was right there.
I heard him land, hit the water. They coming back. Got one?
Got one.
Thank you. Tealy bird.
Still up. Yeah, they're coming this way. Laying right back.
Alright, I'll spin around and get on. Shot to the left the second one. Got two. Yours is still up. Pretty Drake. Looks like it.
Oh, look at this.
He got up. I ain't never seen nothing like that before.
Fucking still alive.
He broke the other way. I've never seen that before, dude. He's dead now. I ain't never seen that before, bro.
Shells on a damn
Shot to finish him off. He gets up and flies like nothing's wrong with him. I've never seen that before.
Good thing I fucking hit him.
Yeah, I know, huh?
He would have rolled out, bro.
We'd have been looking over here waiting for him to die. I looked back and he'd just been gone. He just said, what? Shoot him, shoot him, shoot him. Get him. Good shot. Good shot, G.
I didn't even see him, bro.
The spoonies.
I thought you was talking about the pelicans though.
That's spoonies.
Oh, there's one right here.
Right there. Straight right there.
I see it. Spoonies, huh?
Spoonies, bro.
That's what that is.
You shot both of them.
Yeah, I know. Dude, I peeled his head back. Him.
Oh yeah, you rolled that first one.
I'm fine with that full choke today.
That's what was flying around. That's them too. Yeah.
They didn't look small like sharks when they were flying over there. They looked like bigger ducks.
Them 4 right there.
Well, that sure made the hunt a little better.
Yeah. That's 4 big ducks over there. I mean, my cheeses, I look over my shoulder. They cupped up. I said, well, Lord.
Yeah, I didn't even see it. I didn't see him till they were right there.
That's 4 big ducks right there.
Get him, I was like, get what? Get 2 back rods in the decoy?
He's a pretty spoony, dude. If you want to go get him, let me go shoot this dang thing and get the heck out of here. I do like a pretty spoony, dude. That thing's probably a dang stud, bro.
What you want to do?
Go shoot that dang thing. What you mean what I want to do? Yeah, go shoot it. Take this freaking pure, I'll go shoot that dang thing.
Tell me twice at all.
Shoot, let me just get some of my stuff out of here. Actually, you could take this. I'll put it right here. Make it easier.
I love sneaking up on shit.
Go sneak up on him.
Try my best.
Hopefully he don't fly away when he sees us here. When he sees you slipping out.
I think what I might do, I might paddle to that island right there, and then drag the pirogue over that. Cause I don't think I'm gonna be able to paddle and get behind the islands without them seeing me.
Yeah. You just got to stay real low. You have to get on your hands and knees and crawl while you drag it.
They in a pretty decent spot to sneak behind that island that they right in back of.
Go give him a chance. I ain't gonna shoot at nothing. Unless a gray or something comes in.
Come in and shoot him up.
Yeah. I just gotta make sure I hit him. If I don't hit him, it'll be awful.
Please hit him.
Yeah. You want to slip out the backside?
Is there any way I could pull it through
Yeah,
that side?
yeah, dude.
I think that would be better.
I think so.
They see me before I even start.
Yeah, they are. You got some shells?
Got 3 more in my pocket.
There you go. That should be enough.
You could probably leave this. I gotta sneak that over.
There you go. Alright, dude. Go get him. Gary's trying to shoot them spoonies. He hasn't snuck this far. He's pretty dang close. There he goes. You got both of them. Yes, indeed. You gonna get the hen? She gonna try to get away. And that's what makes Gary a special kind of person right there. That's the kind of stuff that he does. You know, he's just one of those people that's like a whatever it takes kind of person. And that's just what makes him special. So that was cool. That was cool to watch. I'm glad he got his limit today. That was pretty cool. I'm ready to lay eyes on this bird because some of these spoonbills can get really pretty. I really like them. I think they're underrated. I think that people, you know, talk down on a spoonbill for no reason. I think they're one of the prettiest ducks, and I don't think they taste bad. I think that's another myth that I've long disagreed with. Honestly, they taste a lot like a blue wing, sort of like in between like a blue wing and a gray duck, kind of somewhere between there. They're definitely not bad. Everybody needs to stop. Them things taste good. He pretty or what?
Dude, he's like perfect.
Seriously?
Yeah.
Oh wow.
Yeah, he's a damn stud, bro.
Oh man, I can't wait to see this.
Prettiest one I ever shot.
Dude, you just shot your limit.
Huh?
You just shot your limit, you know that?
No, I didn't.
You shot.
4 spoonies and a couple teal. I'll come show you after I pick this one up.
Alright.
Yeah, them two before that was ugly.
Oh really?
Dude, these things right here. Whew. I told you, bro, I love sneaking up on shit me.
I already know. That's what makes you you right there, bro. That's the kind of stuff you do.
Hey, the way they was positioned, I knew it would be light work. I knew I could get close to it.
I'm ready to look at this thing. Oh my God. Oh my goodness, bro.
Look at that thing, huh?
Wow.
That's cool.
He's flawless. I hope you're gonna mount that thing.
He's a gorgeous bird, man.
I hope you mount that bird.
Damn, man.
I'm so jealous.
Wow. You know what made it easy too? They were so focused on eating.
Yeah, I saw that. His head kept going under.
Now, one time he put his head up, I think my paddle did like that.
Both of them, their head went up for a second.
And I stopped and just waited till they started feeding again. Then I started inching my way back up.
Yeah,
She caught a BB to the head, huh? She didn't even move. Feel how light that duck is.
Oh, there ain't nothing to her.
I know.
Sure.
Pretty bird though.
She's lighter than a teal.
She's pretty.
I wonder why she's so light. Must be skinny. It's just skin and bones. Let me see that thing. Dude, I'm so jealous of this thing, bro.
Hollywood.
Oh my goodness gracious.
Hollywood. I didn't want to shoot him again. Mess him all up.
He is perfect, dude. Hold that thing.
I mean, they might get a little better than that, but bruh, he can't expect much more than that.
Bro, they don't get no better. I mean, he's pure.
He's gorgeous. Wow.
Yeah. Wow, I was right.
What a bird, huh?
That was worth the paddle, huh?
Yeah. Yeah. I love these feathers, man.
Oh yeah.
Those are pretty.
Or copper colored like feathers. You gonna get him mounted? I would. At least let Matt freaking mount it just for like a show bird, you know? Dude, you ought to see the one that he freaking. You ought to see the one that he got mounted by his house right now.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Spoon?
Yeah. It looks just like that one.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Tell you what, that's when you gotta kill him, bro, in January.
Yeah, dude.
January.
He's pretty, man. Like the only spots that you freaking got on it is like these.
Like right here.
On the side.
I mean, they might get more white right there, but
not much more. That's the only freaking pin feather I see on that thing.
You're asking for a little much if you, you know.
Yeah, that's better than the one I got on my wall for sure.
Mine ain't that pretty.
I would at least give that thing to Matt or somebody that you know just wants to mount one for, you know.
You know me, bro. I like mounting.
I would mount that one if I was you.
You know what I don't have? I don't have a hen and brake mount.
You can mount both of them together, huh?
That would be fine.
I think spoonies make the best mounts, bro. Like they have every feature that
not really a good hen to do it with, though.
She ain't nothing wrong with her.
She don't have much cover.
I was zoomed in on you with the camera, yeah.
Yeah.
When you shot her.
Yeah, he surprised me, bro. He fucking got it up.
He got up?
Yeah, he started flying.
Is that whenever? Oh, so you shot? I thought you shot. Then he jumped
dead.
up.
When I shot, she was dead. I was aiming at him.
Oh.
She caught a BB to the head, right here.
Oh, I gotcha.
Oh, right there. Look.
Gotcha.
She was dead on impact, huh? So when I shot through him, she was dead. He got up, and then I shot him out the air, and then.
That's the one you went chase.
Yeah.
You went chase him. Yeah, I saw you chasing something.
I hit him with the paddle. I couldn't grab him.
I knew he was pretty, man. You don't see him that far on the water just glowing like that unless they got color.
Like that.
Yeah.
After the season, pretty.
Man, that's pretty. That's a pretty bird, and it's underrated, and I don't care what nobody says. I ain't one of these people that get on board with these trends. Oh, don't shoot a spoonie, that ain't that. Man, look,
all day long.
Y'all can say whatever y'all want.
I took 12 spoonies today.
But that is one of the most pretty birds.
Underrated birds right there.
And anybody who says they don't like that bird is because you hopping on somebody else's trend. You're just following somebody else.
Now I will say, as far as eating them,
they not that bad.
Them drakes got that rice.
Oh, maybe they might have rice breasts, but if they don't have rice breasts, they don't taste bad.
Like every time I kill the damn drake spoonie, they got rice.
And they say that rice breast it don't hurt you.
Bad for you. Yeah,
they say it don't hurt you.
The thought of eating like a million dead worms.
I'm not. Look, if I'm gonna stuff a duck, I'm gonna stuff it my way. I'm not going. Nature stuffing is not for me.
Yeah, I don't want it stuffed with worms.
Pre-stuffed with rice. Yeah, dude. I definitely would consider it. Dang, dude, you got another stud. What you doing, bro?
He's a nice bird too.
Yeah, he is nice. I come here to watch you hunt today, I guess.
That's why when you told me that I could go stalk them, you show you want me to stalk
yeah, go stalk them.
I'll bring them back over here.
Heck yeah, dude. Yeah, no, I like watching it. I wanted to be able to film it on the camera.
If I would have left that paddle whole, I wouldn't have been able to done that. They would have seen me.
Yeah, I saw you had your little
you got
thing going on
stay
there.
low and just try to make like barely any movements going over there.
It worked, I tell you what.
That's how I killed them widgeons in the dude, I got just as close to them as I did that flock of widgeon. I shot one time, boom. I think I dropped one or two. They got up, started flying, I dropped another two. Yeah, I was struggling for a minute, dude.
I saw you got hung up on that mud right there.
It was like straight mud, and I was like, so hard. get it
It's
over.
hard to do when you're trying to hide at the same
I was trying not to make no
time.
noise, but dude, a big clump of fucking mud was stuck to my paddle.
Oh yeah.
So I was trying to pick it up to like get another, you know, another stroke to keep going. And dude, I had to keep picking up that fucking heavy ass. It was stuck on my damn paddle, and I was doing like this trying to get it off. It wouldn't come off. That damn paddle was heavy as.
That's crazy, dude. But you made it happen, though. I tell you what, I'm gonna be in front on the way out with my gun loaded.
That's cool.
And
let me grab these birds before.
Yeah. All right. Yeah, cause you already done.
That's a gray duck.
What?
That's a gray duck.
Get out of here. A gray duck flying with a spoonie? Little bitty old gray. Flying with a spoonie. Well, I just on the way out, I keep my GoPro on, and you know, if I see any ducks, I shoot them off the front, you know, out of the pirogue. Too slick, bro. I think it was a pintail hen. All right, you guys, I'm back at the house. Got the little one for the rest of the day. The wife had to go to work, so I had to take over. So we had to kind of cut that hunt short. We'll only be able to hunt till about 8:30. I didn't have the cameras rolling, but we found a pretty big wad of birds, and they were flying around, and they were, what, you hungry? They were flying around, and they were, I don't know, they really didn't know where they wanted to be. There's big old rafts of birds that were sitting behind us. We didn't know that they were there. And they were kind of getting up, repositioning themselves, dispersing about, kind of in the marsh. They were getting comfortable. Like I said, it was a weekday. I think all of those birds were piled up where they weren't really getting shot at, where they weren't getting pressured, and they were kind of hanging out over there. And after, you know, no shooting and everything was kind of calm this morning. I mean, we were the only people out there shooting. Those ducks started to fly around and go get on those feeds a little bit later in the morning. Learned a lot. Tell you what, that pretty valuable hunt. I think Gary's probably going to go back out there tomorrow, and he'll be on them. I won't be able to make it tomorrow. It was just cutting it a little bit too close. You know, my wife had to go off to work today, and I got to watch the baby. That's a pretty far drive where that place was, so... But yeah, y'all, I always love to share the blind with Gary. You know, me and Gary, we don't get to spend as much time in the blind this year because he does a lot of deer hunting these days. But it was good to get back out there with him and do that. So yeah, guys, we're gonna wrap up the video right there. I really appreciate you guys for watching. If you're not already subscribed, please hit the subscribe button. I really appreciate that. And I'll see y'all next time on Falling Tide TV.